Dude, अगर ये Pjanic ये डाल रहा है, can you imagine the drafts that are saved on Ronaldo's phone? साला भड़वा नहीं, ये नहीं डाल सकते, रुक। मेरे से प्रेस कराएगा।
और
He'll share one, like the press should always be free, just as a random cryptic. King Eric Cantona says, Barca sacked Koeman to bring their own Ole, unproven club legend from an unproven league. He may be tactically astute, but jobs like these are difficult. And इसी बात पे let us get in. First of all, let us have a 5 moments of silence. 5 seconds of silence.
5 moments of silence.
Nah.
What if Koeman comes to United?
Man, as a Madrid fan, genuinely sad day.
है ना?
Because he was really driving that club so far into the earth that he was going to meet Satan in 2 days.
And Satan is actually Bartomeu. He has said so many things. He has done like he has said, thanks to me, this club has a future. Thanks to the club, he has no future. It's just everything has gone in reverse. Luke De Jong more dangerous than Neymar. And of course, how can we forget the legendary?
Jugar tiki-taki, tiki-taki.
Tiki taka tuku.
मतलब कितना हंसी मिला है guys. Koeman OP एक बार हो जाए यार chat में. Just everybody, if Ronald Koeman, like everywhere from Barcelona, he may be getting hate, but 4-4 टूर से अगर कभी भी लाइफ में रोनाल्ड कोमन का सोशल मीडिया मिले तो जाके उसका फुल हार्ट ठोकने का उसका प्रोफाइल पे, बिकॉज वो आदमी बेस्ट है, बेस्टेस्ट. एंड ओले का अगर मिले तो जो
Here's the thing. So he's also he's definitely going down in history. Okay?
Yeah.
Koeman is historic because he happened to be the guy in charge when Lionel Messi left.
Yeah.
That was his moment.
Legacy.
Of
That was his
historic fame.
legacy. That's his legacy.
He was there and he was like a big.
But that's the thing, it will go down as okay, it's just like one footnote. Like all of this will actually go down as a footnote. Like for people looking at stats and they'll say, oh, Ronald Koeman worst manager in Barcelona history and all that, and the stats will show that. But nobody will show ki club bankrupt, Messi crying and gone,
that'll- I
pandemic.
think that'll
Nobody's
be
going to
part-
show you that.
Messi crying tissue going for more money than club.
Yeah.
No, because here's the thing, you know what the for me the heart of this thing is, which is so beautiful, which I hope makes it historically, is this: at the time when Messi was leaving, club legend, all of that stuff, right? All the greatest player of their time. At this moment, they've got the most insensitive, foot in mouth, hardcore motherfucker. Who's like, people leave, what to do? It's okay, we'll go on.
Dude, it's actually we needed Koeman and Barca needed Ole. It's literally that, because we needed one Koeman to be तो press नहीं करेगा तो निकल, मैं लुक डेयोंग जा रहा है. क्या तू कौन है? रोनाल्डो है? I don't give a fuck. You sit on the bench. Luke De Jong is coming to press. But now for the moment कभी कभी लगता है Aponic बर्जवान है, because that's the guy who's come, Bergwijn, as the interim coach, and then Xavi looks like deal agreed. But लगता है क्या, can Xavi do a Zidane? Does he have that caliber to do it after coming from Qatar?
I mean, he could pass the ball just as well as that.
Well done.
Unlike Zidane, unlike Pep, so one other comparison that people are drawing is Pep, right? Came from fucking just first job, killed it, all of that, right?
Yeah.
But at the time Pep joined, he was inheriting an incredibly successful Barca team.
Yeah.
The only person he had to really get rid of was Ronaldinho.
Yeah.
Right, and then the team was just perfect, right? And all the players were hitting their peaks.
Yeah.
Superb time to be. This time, when Xavi comes in, he is walking into a room that is on fire with a nuclear bomb in the middle of it. Right, so वही है कि like the thing is that he's also a heavy possession based coach. That's the one thing that has come out very strongly about Xavi as a coach and also Xavi as a player, which is that man loves possession.
Yeah.
Okay, अभी इस टीम में कौन रखेगा possession?
कौन रखेगा बॉल, कौन रखेगा is the question.
वीडियो के सामने आने के बाद सवाल तो बनता ही है.
हाँ, Pjanic का Insta story हमने share नहीं किया था, but that was the story that he put up, where he just put
Yeah,
after Koeman is sacked, he put this emoji and he said, "Know when to let that shit go." I love these guys. They're so bitchy, dude. These
You know, I
guys,
have a
it's
feeling, by
hilarious.
the way, guys, what do you think that when Koeman got sacked, do you think one bead of perspiration went down the scalp of Ole?
Dude, अगर ये Pjanic ये डाल रहा है, can you imagine the drafts that are saved on Ronaldo's phone? साला भड़वा नहीं, ये नहीं डाल सकते रुक। मेरे से प्रेस कराएगा। He'll share one like the press should always be free, just as a random cryptic.
He had to put up, like he put up by mistake instead of his like we are expecting twin story.
Yeah,
he put
we
up
are
one of his
expecting sack.
drafts.
in the X-ray, that MRI or ultrasound, they're showing just a photo of Ole crying.
मजा आया.
Aditya Raju says, so Ole played Conte style of football to save his job. But yeah, also, so we should, that brings us to our first talking point, is that Nuno on his way out, it was the sack derby, and basically the situation was
Is
that
Nuno
whoever...
on his way out?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
there was a
Fabrizio
there
बोल
was-
रहा है. It's Conte has
No.
basically accepted.
अरे बट ब्रो हियर्स द हिलेरियस थिंग, वो गोल्ड ब्रिज उधर चिल्ला रहा है, ठीक है, कि यार तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, अभी कॉन्टे उधर एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, हम लोग को ओले को फायर करना पड़ेगा तो क्या होएगा, दिस इज द वर्स्ट मैनेजमेंट, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, कॉन्टे इज गोइंग टू टॉटनहम, देन व्हाट विल हैपन.
Cheaply. It's a moment of true jubilation.
Dude, वो केन को जो मारेगा, oh my god, चल गोल मार, चल.
So I'm telling you, वो Kane अगर once Conte comes, no, if Kane is on this side of the half line, no, वो पिच पे आके जूता फेंके उसका.
I prefer to kill him.
हम लोग ऐसा एकदम टूथलेस डेड टॉटनहम हॉटस्पर को हराए. यस, वी प्लेड गुड फुटबॉल, ग्रेट गोल्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द बॉल फ्रॉम ब्रूनो एंड द फिनिश फ्रॉम बाबा वाज
Oh.
alien finish, मतलब rolled back the years and how.
Yeah.
And
And that
the-
ball
yeah.
had to curve inside, like it.
Yeah. It was a FIFA goal. It was a proper FIFA goal. Luke Shaw, Wan-Bissaka, good for now. So, see, the thing is now that Ole, and this being a peak Ole United, we will go and it's very likely that we will go and win against Atlanta, and we will win/draw against City also. And everyone will be like, yeah, Rio Ferdinand आएगा, Ole is back, give him a contract letter, put a number on it, whatever you want. फिर हम लोग जाके Watford के सामने हक देगा. And this is Manchester United in microcosm. This is what's going to happen. But for now, I've learned, just enjoy the good times whenever they come. And good time is any win. Enjoy it, savor it till the next match, because you don't know what's going to happen with this team. But also on the topic of Real Madrid, Kautuk, your thoughts on Paul Pogba apparently being very strongly linked and very good, very confident of securing the services of Paul Pogba, our Real Madrid.
Look, here's the thing, okay? If there's, अगर फुटबॉल जगत में कोई डीवा पैदा हो जाता है, तो मैड्रिड से रहा नहीं जाता है उसको बर्नाबेउ लाने में. चल ना, आ जा तू इधर करना टेंट्रम. पूरा पिच खुला है यार तेरे लिए.
Yeah, just imagine him and Mbappe just rolling around crying. Then their parents are coming on the pitch and fighting and boxing each other. So just get more French players. That's what you need.
Also, while we're on the topic, so we played Elche and 2-1, ठीक है? And दोनों गोल Vinicius. And
Yes.
Vinicius is,
Vinicius.
I don't know what, I really don't know what Ancelotti has done. I really don't know. I don't know if he has made, like if he puts the goalpost on the corner and makes him practice. I have no idea.
Mr. Stark.
Azim, you should know this, that Kautuk is getting very happy with new Hazard news, because
What
for
is new
some
Hazard
weird
news?
motherfucking reason, Chelsea is keeping a close eye on Hazard's performance in Madrid to try and get him back.
Okay, Fabrizio का most recent tweet is there. Fabrizio का season खत्म ही नहीं होता है, dude.
नहीं हो
This
रहा है,
year?
dude. नहीं हो रहा है.
Just
ये-
क्या मतलब मस्त छाप रहा है. Very good. Antonio Conte is waiting to sign as new Tottenham manager. Matter of final details. Contract until June 2023 confirmed and discussed. So his camp and Spurs board talking about final clauses in order to announce the deal. Antonio Conte is currently in London. क्या
What I love is
eyes
that-
है यार. Oh, what beautiful eyes.
Yeah, it's now going to become Antonio Conte just got up. He's brushing his teeth
Yeah,
as
yeah.
we speak. He's now in bathroom. He's
Yes.
using bucket bath.
And he knows this because he's actually hiding behind the curtain in the bathroom. Guys, since many days, hiding in hotel room. Here we go. Fabrizio, love you, Fabrizio. More honest.
You know
truth.
something? If Ole plays really well, if his like job is on the line, just keep his job on the line.
Yeah, just all throughout. Like, you just won the Premier League, but they're like, fucking, you watch tomorrow, bastard. One wrong step, you're out. Get out. Don't want to see your face. He's like, but treble, shut up.